Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so we're going to make some Jimmy Dean sausage meatloaf. Jimmy Dean sausage meatloaf with panko in it. Okay? Alright, Grandma Ray way. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so I bought a long package, it was about this long, of Jimmy Dean sausage from Sam's. So this feels like about a pound, okay? So I would say the whole package may have been 2 pounds. I'm going to take this out and put it in a bowl. Okay, now I want to add, I have a medium onion. I think I only need half of this. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go with a half of an onion. Okay, and then I'm going to add some ketchup that we're going to mix right in there. And I want a little mustard. Oh yeah. A few drops of mustard. Now the panko breadcrumbs. And we're going to be cooking this in the air fryer, guys. I need some more ketchup. Okay, you can use as much ketchup as you like. That's up to you. Pepper. And I'm going to put in some garlic. That one's not open. Let me find one that's open. Here it is. Garlic. Okay. Now it feels sticky to me. That means that I don't have enough breadcrumbs. So I'm going to add some more. I would say I probably used 1 second. Okay, we're back on now. Jimmy Dean sausage meatloaf with panko. Oh yeah, this is definitely coming together now nicely. You just want to shape it into like a long shape like this. Okay. Alright. Let me get a pan. Okay, so I'm going to use this long loaf pan. And I'm going to put it in the loaf pan. Like that. Okay? You could shape it if you want it wider. You can make it wider. That's up to you. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Yep, it'll fit. I thought it wasn't going to fit for a minute. Okay, turn it on. I want to have the temperature at, let's go 370. And we're going to go down to 10 minutes, and then I'll check it. Okay, and we'll be back in 10 minutes. Or a little before. Okay, so our timer have stopped. We had it on 10 minutes. Let's take a temperature. Looking for a temperature of 155. Nah, we're only at 95 and it's moving slow. And it doesn't look done. Okay. So let's set the timer up again. 370 is fine. And let's go 15 minutes. So that'll give us a total of 25 minutes. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is press yourself. When you're tired, press yourself. When you have to do something and you don't feel like it, press yourself. When you want to say no, but you say yes reluctantly, press yourself. Press yourself means to go ahead and move forward, get it done. Because you know what? You're going to feel better afterwards because you would have accomplished your goal. Press yourself. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's take a temp. Okay, we're 158, so we are good. So now I just want to put ketchup on the top and sides. Another layer of flavor. Okay. And let me show you. I'm going to put this back in for 2 minutes, 3 minutes to make the ketchup stick to the loaf. Okay? 370. Let's go down for 3 minutes. That'll do it. Okay. So the purpose of the ketchup on the top is it's an old tradition, and also it beautifies the loaf. Okay. So now you see that you can make a sausage meatloaf. And you don't have to make a beef meatloaf. So you have options. The next option I'm going to show you one day is to make a chicken loaf. Okay? Alright, so we got a loaf all looking good. I can't wait to taste it for you. I'm going to actually serve it with some I cooked some jasmine vegetable spicy rice the video previous to this. So I'm gonna put some of that on the plate, and I'm gonna present it that way to you. How about that? Love it? I love it. We have 2 more minutes. I love cooking in the air fryer. I used to cook in it all the time, and I wasn't cooking on the stove at all. And then I realized through comments and that sort of thing that everyone does not have an air fryer. So I like to mix it up now so that everybody can get what they're looking for from me. And also, some things you just have to cook on the stove or in the oven. The air fryer will never replace that on some items. You know what I mean? Okay, we have a minute left. Okay, so I'm gonna get my plate and get ready to present it to you with the rice. Let me do that. I'm about to cut off now. Well, actually, I should show you first, and then I'll plate up. We're almost there. Okay, the off button is there, so we can open. That's what we're looking like. Okay, I'm going to plate up and I'll come right back. Okay, so let's see our Jimmy Dean Panko sausage meatloaf. Take a look at that, huh? And another view. Okay, let me taste. Oh, I can't wait to taste for you. Meatloaf. Oh, wow. Now, if you love Jimmy Dean, you're going to love, love, love this meatloaf. Wow. Jimmy Dean sausage panko meatloaf. The rice. Home run. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Love you.